Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Today's video is going to be about a new sponsor that I have. I reached out to StrongInk.com.cn and they agreed to work with me and see how I do on turning some of their products. But they want me to do an unboxing video, so here we go. This is the first box from, I guess, our first collaboration. Is how I can work on it. I've never done this before, so I really don't know the terminology I need to be using for it. But I have to look everything up on all these kits, but I am aware of what a few of them are. This is going to be some of the this is the pepper crack, the pepper mills. There's 2 pepper mills in there. I have a few pin kits here. Believe these are your slimline pins, but they're all labeled in here, and so I'll have to go through and look them up. And before I turn a video on all of them, I'll have the details and the specifics for the kits and everything. But I have a handful of pin kits to do, and I am excited on this. I am so curious on how these kits are going to be, and I'm loving the looks of them so far. I'm just kind of looking at them. This looks like a slimline. Yeah, this is a rose gold slimline kit. Here's a chrome ballpoint pin kit. That's nice. We have this looks to be a chrome slimline kit. That is cool. Here, this looks to be a type of slimline. I'll have to look it up. Like I said, it has, this is a rose gold color. It has the kit numbers on here. I will look up each of the kit numbers and all before I get started. That way I know what I'm messing with and all that for sure. And then here is another twist ballpoint pin kit from StrongInk. This one's a gold one. But that is awesome. I have 5 different pin kits to do, which is awesome in itself. Thank you so much, StrongInk. I got 2 pepper grinders as well, which is just too cool. And then we have some of the ornament kits, and then the bushings. See, this will be the 7mm slimline bushings for the slimline kits. And then these bushings here, I'll have to look these up to see what these go to see which kit these go to. We have a little ornament kit. So we should have 2 different ornament kits, and it looks like a keychain. This is pretty cool. This looks to be like, I guess, their basic collaboration pack here. Oh yeah. This will be the little keychain part. Let's see. Yep, that'll go on there for the little loop. And we spin that on. That looks like you'd be using the 7. See, that's the thing here. I'll have to go through and figure out what bushings go for what kits. Look them up from there. I imagine when I go to their website, I can look up the kit name on the website, and it'll tell you which bushings you need for there. Yeah, you look at those. Those are about that 7mm size. Yep. So the keychain will be a 7mm bushing. We can do that. That'll be a nice one to do right off the bat. Awesome, this is too cool. Thank you, StrongInk. I cannot wait to get started on your videos. This is gonna be pretty fun. Surprised me so much, and this is just awesome. All right. And then this is another little ornament. They sent 2 different style ornaments to create. And in the same aspects, it would be kind of like the keychain. So I imagine it's the same 7mm. Yeah, it'd be the 7mm bushings to go with that and create. Now that's gonna be pretty neat right there. Oh, that is too cool, yo. I can see that. I can see that together already, and then carve something, you know, to go in between there. This is gonna be pretty cool. And there's two different styles of the ornaments here. There's this one here. Let's see, how does this work? Again, everything's labeled, so we can go into their site. Ooh, make sure I'm staying in camera here. We can go to their site and look up the kit numbers here and get some more detail on those. That is cool. I like the way that's been. That's got some weight to it. And then you got an opening in the top where you can hang it, hook it to a deal. That is cool. All right, this is gonna be fun, y'all. We got some kits to turn for StrongInk. Y'all be looking for the videos, they're coming. And again, thank you StrongInk for sponsoring my crazy channel. You won't be disappointed. This is gonna be a fun adventure. I can't wait. All right, thank you so much, y'all. Y'all stay awesome, stay laid back. Remember, it's my job to be grumpy. Y'all be watching. We got some StrongInk videos coming your way.